Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, of today's newspaper on Monday, June the 3rd, 2024. And I've mentioned already in today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional, only these three regular puzzles. And one of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain, the binary and the Sudoku with 4 stars. Let me continue with this one. This one will be number 8648. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 24 printed digits. Well, Four Stars Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos, 1 3, 2 4s, 2 5s, 3 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 4 9s. Can I start with a 9? Let me see. 9, 9, yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so last row the only place level 9 should be there, 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so the last column the only 2 places level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be there, alright. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so the first column the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 in the second row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Oh, we have 4 7s. Well. But can I start with the 7? No. Well, not true. 7. Well. Let me see. How about 2? Need 2 there. Yeah, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. In this row, last row, we need a 7. And 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 7. We have a 1 and 7 in this big square, so no 1 and 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. We have a pair. The 2 and the 7 in the last row. The 2 in one of those 2 boxes and the 7 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 2 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 7. Alright, and now need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Well, 1, 3, 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have 1 and 3 in this column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. 4, 4. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. We have 4 in this row. No 4 in those two boxes, so 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Then 3 and 8. Well, 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. The row above, 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a 3 in one of these 3 boxes in the last row. So the 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. We have here 3, 4, 6. That means the other 2 numbers should be the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. 2 and a 5. Alright. Well, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Alright. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Okay. 4, 4 here. Need a 1 here. Well. How about 1, 2, 3, 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7. 7. Okay. 2 and the 3. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. We have a pair here. 3 and a 4 in this row. 3 and a 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright. So, need a 2 here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this middle column. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. Let me see. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It means 1 digit left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 8, 8. How about these 2 missing numbers? In the first row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well. Can I, well, I hate to split those numbers. The chance to make an error is slightly higher. Let me wait. about these 3? Do we have all the 2s? No. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the 5, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. Well, need a 1 here. 1, 1. 1, 1. 2, 3, 4. 5, 5. Well, in this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be an 8. Alright, now, these 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 is missing. Oh, we have a 1 here, so the 1 should be here or there. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, so the 6 could be here, could be there. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the mud. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. 7, 8 is missing here. Alright. Need an 8 here. How about these 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the must? The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column 3, the only 3 places left, the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. The only place left, the 6 should be there. Need a 4 here, okay. About a 5, 5, 5. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, no need 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row. Only place left for the 5, it should be there. A 1 box left in the first row for the mud. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. We have a pair, the 1 and the 4 in the first row, the 1 and the 4 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mud. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. Alright, 1 box left in the second row for the mud. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. So we have 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 3, 4, 6. 3, 6 in the first column. So here can we 3 and a 6. The 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left should be the 4. 3 and a 6. Alright. 3 and a 4. Alright, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 6. So the 6 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. Then 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 3 and a 4. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. A 1 star. Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes. If you like these 2, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.